Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
This video is a 2021 year-end review of my new patterns and videos. The year started out by showing how to make your crochet work fit correctly. We talked about gauge, hook size, and yarn types. For Valentine's Day, we made this cute puffy heart pattern. And for my birthday, we made this crochet cake using a roll of toilet paper underneath. Then we made this herringbone hat pattern to keep your head nice and warm for the cold winter weather. Probably the most frequently asked question is how to convert a stitch into a blanket. So I did a video on how to make any size blanket from any stitch pattern. I made this hooded scarf with pockets next. This arrow stitch pattern really stands out for a scarf or a blanket. Next up are these crochet baskets in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. For St. Patrick's Day, I showed how to make shamrocks and clover appliques. And then I showed how to do a reversible overlay crochet mesh type of stitch pattern. Given I'm of Ukrainian heritage, I went in a completely different direction for my next video, which shows a very old egg art called pisunki. Next up is a large fan stitch, which looks especially good for a lacy shawl. I showed how to make these cute and very easy watermelon kitchen pads. Next up are these lace baskets made from old doilies. A little glue, water, plastic wrap, and kitchen bowl help create these lovely baskets from vintage lace doilies. Since the weather was really getting warmer, my next video showed how to crochet sleeves onto a tank top. I get a lot of requests for flowers for a rose bouquet, so these 3-dimensional flowers work great in a vase or in a wedding bouquet. Did you know you can do the corner-to-corner stitch in a row instead? I showed how you can make your own handles for handbags. Next up are these plant holders. The nylon thread used to make these works great for both indoor and outdoor use. In some scarves, shawls, and blankets, fringe looks awesome. In my next video, I showed 3 different ways to make fringe for your handmade items. These pansies were a big hit this year. These flower earrings work up quick and easy. This mini check pattern looks great for anything, especially a blanket and a scarf. Made in 3 colors, the pattern looks really cool. My next video gives you a detailed guide to crochet hooks, including explaining materials, size, and when to use what type of hook for which project. The crochet cat stitch was also a big hit this year, probably because just about everyone on Earth loves animals. My slouchy mesh hat also did quite well, and it's super easy and fast to make for yourself or as a gift. I thought these cute pumpkin appliques would be good for that time of year. Tunisian crochet is always a fun technique, and this double-ended crochet hook technique provided some tips and tricks on how to create some really nice stitches. These little button flowers are quick and easy to make. My mesh scarf or shawl works up quickly and easy. And if you look closely, the edging is a nice alternative to traditional fringe. The crossover stitch also did extremely well this year. The Tunisian crossover stitch is also a fun stitch to make. Next, I showed how to read crochet charts. My next video was for this X marks the spot granny square, which used 2 colors of yarn throughout the pattern. Next, I showed some tips and tricks on how to place borders along blankets and other crochet items. Then my granny square handbag showed how to create this lovely flower or starburst-like square. Did you know there are several ways to make the basic single crochet stitch? Different hook placements create different looks in the pattern. This crochet yarn basket ornament looks cute on the Christmas tree. And these mini stockings were super easy and fast to make. And the very last video of this year showed how to substitute yarn in your knitting and crochet patterns so you get a good size and fit in your projects. I hope you enjoyed this year in review for my patterns and videos, and that you have a safe and happy 2022.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.